Hey, this is Brandon with My Tennessee Home Solution. Selling a property is often a turbulent process. It takes time to perfect a home's presentation, and you must strategically allot the time, energy, and money into upgrading and repairing the home before placing it on the market. A home listing concierge service, such as My Tennessee Home Solution, can significantly simplify the process for you. A listing concierge handles repairs and other home improvements that buyers suggest during the selling process to help maximize your return on investment when selling your home. They guarantee you a price for your home and handle the entire process of listing, showings, negotiations, as well as cover the closing costs and commissions. With a traditional real estate listing, your agent simply lists your home on the market and attempts to find you interested buyers. Meanwhile, a concierge team goes beyond the typical real estate selling process by offering comprehensive services that not only help attract buyers, but also help you sell your home for a larger profit. You might think, these are all tasks I can handle myself. What do I need a home listing concierge for? Especially when moving to a new state, you might try to save every penny you can by foregoing certain services. However, a listing concierge has numerous benefits, including peace of mind. You don't have to wonder how much money you will end up with when the property sells. You get a guaranteed price in the beginning. Secondly, convenient and stress-free. Dealing with the traditional home selling process can be a stressful, time-consuming process. Your concierge listing service bears that burden, so you don't have to. Third, you have a team behind you. It's often overwhelming, one person managing the repairs, negotiations, paperwork, all that's involved. With a concierge service, you have an expert team to handle all the negotiations, paperwork, and repairs on your behalf. Fourth, streamlined selling process. You can focus on your next chapter. From marketing to negotiations, your concierge service can tackle the rest. And lastly, market expertise. It takes years of local market experience to ensure a quick sale and the highest price when selling a home. It's exactly what you get with a concierge listing service. Our expertise will maximize your price and ensure a sale. Don't make selling and moving any harder than it has to be. You deserve a streamlined selling experience, so give us a call or reach out to us online.